Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the NVIDIA control panel not showing. I'm going to show you a couple of different methods. If they help you, please subscribe to the channel. It really does help me a lot. So the first thing I recommend is, well, rebooting your computer to see if that solves the issue. If it doesn't, the first thing I recommend doing is go to the task manager. So type in task manager in search, go to task manager. You'll see the NVIDIA control panel application here. You just want to right click on and say end task. Do this a couple of times if it doesn't end the first time. And then go and manually open the NVIDIA control panel once again and see if that solves your problem. If it still isn't opening, what you want to do is go on to the next method. So search for services, open services, look for NVIDIA. So sort by name, go to NVIDIA, and there will be two different ones here. I have three, but these two are running right now, display container and local system container. You want to double click on them, make sure that the status is running. If it is not running, you want to click the start button and run it, and make sure the status is automatic. And you want to do this for display container and local system container, so make sure that it's on automatic and that it is currently running. Once you have confirmed these two things, you want to try opening the NVIDIA control panel once again. If it still doesn't work, it might be an issue with your drivers. So the easiest way to do this is to go here, right click on this in your task bar, go to NVIDIA app, go to drivers, and reinstall, install the newest driver or reinstall the driver if you've already installed it. Now, once installation is complete, reboot your computer and hopefully this will solve your issue. Again, if this video was useful for you, please leave the video a like. If this did not work, please leave the video a comment and I will do my best to get back to you in a timely manner.